This is a demonstration of multitasking in iOS 4 with Runmeter, Cyclemeter, and Walkmeter GPS fitness applications for the iPhone. Multitasking has three clear benefits: fast task switching, fast access to recently used applications, and most importantly, the ability to run multiple applications at once. This makes Runmeter, Cyclemeter, and Walkmeter much easier and fun to use. Let's see how multitasking works. I'll show Runmeter, though Cyclemeter and Walkmeter work exactly the same way. The first time you launch Runmeter, you'll see our splash screen for a few seconds, and then we're the running application. Tap the Home button afterward and you'll go back to the iPhone's main screen, just like before iOS 4. But the next time you launch Runmeter, you'll see that it comes up quickly, without the splash screen, and goes directly to where I left it. That's because Runmeter is still in memory. To switch apps quickly, just double tap the Home button and you'll see your recently used apps. You don't see Runmeter in this list because it's currently the foreground app. Just select another app and you'll see an animation as it quickly switches. Do the same to go back. I just showed you that when you double tap the Home button, you get a list of recently used applications. That makes it really easy to switch between your favorite apps. They're shown in the order you most recently used them, and in fact, some of them may be running and some may not. It all depends on if iOS 4 needed the memory and chose to stop them. Or some apps are set to never stay in memory by design. And lastly, the iPhone 3G does not have enough memory to run multiple applications, so for the iPhone 3G, none of the applications on this list are running. That's fast access to recently used applications. It's really easy to use, just double tap the Home button. Lastly, and most importantly, iOS 4 allows you to run multiple applications at once. This is extremely important for Runmeter, Cyclemeter, and Walkmeter because we want to be able to continue recording your workout while you use other applications. Let's start a run and see what happens. Once you press start, we'll begin recording your time, location, elevation, pace, and much more. You'll see the location arrow in the iPhone status bar indicating that we're recording your location. If any app on your iPhone is recording your location, you'll see the location arrow. Note that if you press the Home button, the location arrow is still shown. We're still recording. More importantly, other applications can run while Runmeter is running. Let's say you want to change music while you're out running. Just double tap the Home button, switch to the iPod app, and choose the music you want. Runmeter is still running. Or say you get a call from home when you're out running. When you answer the call, the iPhone app starts running. Runmeter is still recording your workout. Lastly, I should mention that multitasking works well with our remote control capability, whereby you can use your earphone remote to start, stop, and get announcements while you're out running and when your iPhone is sleeping. A double click, about a second apart, will stop or start Runmeter, which is great when your iPhone is in your pocket.
Stop.
Lastly, while we're recording and in the background, we can post to Twitter, Facebook, and email, keeping your friends and family updated on your progress. We can even automatically update a Google map to show them your current location and route. That's multitasking. It makes Runmeter, Cyclemeter, and Walkmeter that much easier to use.